Hi friends and subscribers, this is Muhammad Sheikh, and from today's video I'll be starting a new tutorial series on Java programming. Okay, so in this video tutorial series I'll be trying to cover different concepts of Java programming. I'll start from the very basic and then I will move on to some advanced concepts of Java programming. Okay, so here you can see I have listed down the names of all those topics that I'll be going to cover in this tutorial series. Okay, the first I will start with the introduction, and then I will move on to flow controls, and then arrays. In that I will be discussing one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and multi-dimensional arrays, and then I will move on to arguments, packages, functions, and then access specifiers like public, private, and protected. And then I'll move on to one of the most important concepts of Java is classes and objects, and then threads, inheritance, buffer, wrapper, runtime, iterators, vectors, enumerators, tokenizers, files and directories, files input output, applets, and then AWT components and swings components. Okay, once we cover all these concepts, then we will start doing a mini project on Java where I will create a application which will interact with my MySQL database. Okay, so these are our topics which we will be going to cover in this complete tutorial series. Okay, so now let's first start with our first topic, which is introduction. Okay, so we are in introduction page. Okay, so here you can see Java is a programming language created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystem in 1991. Okay, so it was created by James Gosling, was from Sun Microsystem, and it was designed in 1991. Okay, and then Sun Microsystem was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. Okay, from 2010 it is been maintained by Oracle Corporation. Okay, then Java language is designed with an intention to write a program once and then run this program on multiple operating systems. Okay, so the one of the most important feature of Java is you don't have to write two different copies of same Java program to run in different operating system. Suppose you have written a Java program in Windows operating system, then you can take the same copy of that Java program and you can run that copy of Java program in Linux operating system as well, or any other operating system as well. Okay, so that means Java programs are not depend on any operating system. Okay, then let's go to here. Okay, so here I have written down some of the properties or features of Java programming. Okay, so first property is platform independent. Okay, so with this point we already discussed that if you have written any Java program in one operating system, then it will be very easy for executing the same Java program in another operating system. Okay, so here according to this property platform independent, it's saying if you are using Windows operating system and you have written and you have executed that Java program in Windows operating system, and suddenly you realize that you want to move to some other operating system. Okay, at that time you don't have to write the same Java program in Linux operating system or any other operating system. What you have to do is the whatever program you have written in Windows operating system, you just need to take that copy, that you need to take that file, and then you need to run the same file in another operating system. Okay, in our case it's Linux or any other operating system. Okay, so which means Java programs are platform independent, they don't depend on any operating system. Okay, then next is object oriented programming language. Okay, Java is a object oriented programming language. It allows us to write our programs, write or develop software application using object oriented approach, using objects and classes. Okay, so it offers all those different types of features that any object oriented programming provides, like concepts of polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance. Okay, so all those features are supported by Java as well. Okay, then the next property is automatic memory management. Okay, so in other programming languages like C++, when we allocate memory for either for objects or for variables, okay, then we need to free that memory. Okay, we need to explicitly free that memory. But in Java, once we allocate a memory for variables or for objects, we don't have to explicitly free that memory. Okay, so Java will automatically free the memory allocated for those objects which is not been used. Okay, suppose you have created few objects and those objects are not used, you are not using those objects, still those objects are taking memory from your computer. Okay, so in Java, all those unused objects or the memory allocated to all those unused objects will automatically deleted. Okay, so which is that's what this third point is saying, automatic memory management. Java helps the developers in automatically maintaining the memory of a computer. Okay, and then the fourth point is multi-threaded language. Java is a multi-threaded language. We can design or we can develop those kind of applications using Java, which allows the users to run different applications at the same time. Okay, so we can develop those kind of applications where we can run multiple or different applications at the same time. And then the fifth property is secure. Java program cannot harm other system, thus making it secure. Okay, so they are secure. We can develop secure application which cannot be harm other applications. Java provides a secure means of creating internet applications. Okay, we can create internet applications, web applications using Java. Okay, and those applications can be secure. No one can hack those applications. Okay, the next point is Java provides secure way to access web applications. Okay, so the same thing, we can design and we can develop secure web applications. Okay, and then let's move to the next slide. Okay, so now the next property, which is the last property of Java, is high performance. Okay, since our Java program is been converted into bytecode and that bytecode is highly optimized. Okay, and it provides high performance to our applications. JVM can execute them much faster. Okay, so JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, which is an important part of Java programming. This JVM can execute the bytecode and it can execute them much faster pace. Okay, as a result of that, we can get the output, we can develop the applications which can perform, you know, with a faster pace. Okay, we can develop efficient and high performance applications using Java. Okay, so this is an introduction video of Java. Okay, so in this video we started with some of the concepts that we are going to discuss in this tutorial, and then we will move on to a small introduction or the history of Java. Okay, and then we started discussing the features or the properties, different properties of Java programming. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing on some other topic of Java programming, and thanks for watching.